the fuel in here and doesn't really go under 7 meters. However, last year in February though, we had big floods in the fuel in here coastline. The entire place was hit pretty hard by 1.1 meter of rain within 3 days, and it destroyed the Milford Road, and it closed it for a good 6 weeks or so, and the entire national park here was closed to both traffic. It was a lot of tree slips were still happening. So that's a rough idea. It gives you a rough idea how much rain we can get here. 200-300 mil of rain and in 24 hours is a very common amount. But during the floods we had 500 mil of rain here in their 24 hours time. Alright guys, just spot a little fur seal, just in case. They're a bit hard to find this time of the year around the fjord. While we got one here, I'll just stop the boat. I'll get closer for you guys so you can all have a good look at it and you know what it looks like.
That one. Oh.
They're just sitting on our left, just on top of the rocks there.
Dad thought that they were called seagulls. He was like, what are those again? He was like, are those seagulls?
They're not seagulls.
Having a rest. Just alone. It's a, we don't know if it's a she or a he. I saw a really big one when I was with Maggie.
A big one.